Nicole, I gonna love this, you know. Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach a summertime.
Hello, it is your girl Roxanne reporting to you live in Whitby, Ontario. And honestly, people, I know all my Torontonians people them know what me are going to talk about right now. Okay. Yesterday, we did get licked with one hefty blizzard. When I say the snow did a fall. Me is 5'6". How the rascal did the snow reach 5'4"? The snow all dip on me neck to blood cleat. Me not understand that. Even today, me on my way to work. But Jesus, they want me for dead, you know. No sidewalk. Me dip on the road and wait for the bus, you know. Me almost get licked down by car, by truck. I don't know about this. Canada, I try kill me, you know. I try dead me off. Ross. Me just a hibernate. Me nah go outside, you know. Or them like a pick me and run up in snow. Them want get frostbite and dead off. Lord. Me did hear a poor old little woman did dead try to shovel up her driveway. Poor thing. I think they should come up with some kind of system where them have some people that shovel up the old people them driveway, because it's not right, you know. Them shouldn't be outside in the cold. Shit. Anyways, I want Uno to wish me luck, cause I don't know what I'm going to do in this cool ass weather, because Ross, me might have to quit my job, cause hey, me like my life. Anyways, Roxanne is out below.
Nicole, I gonna love this, you know. Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach a summertime.